Hey guys, it's a lovely sunny day outside, so I wanted to create a soft glam look with a springy vibe. If you want to see how this look came together and what products I used and how I created this, then keep on watching. I will start by priming my eyes with Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer, and this is in the shade 10 Fair, and for this look I will be using Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. I really like this Maybelline concealer. I think it's pretty new. It has really good coverage. Also, as an eyeshadow primer, it works really well because it is so full coverage that it covers the lids really properly, and then you can put whatever shadow you feel like doing. As my transition shade, I will use my Hoola Light Bronzer, but whichever kind of light brown eyeshadow or powder will do. Then I will take a bit smaller fluffy brush and I will take this shade, which is called Factory, and also put this on my crease. And I'm trying to blend this in with a very light hand and going over many times so that it goes seamlessly into the first shade. I'm still very far away from perfect when I do my makeup, but I feel like I've learned so much since I started making videos myself, and also nowadays I watch a lot more videos from all these beauty gurus, so you actually learn a lot from them. Of course, you need to practice yourself, you just need to do it and do it and do it over and over again, but you get really good tips from them. And then with the same brush I will take this color, which is called Dark Shade. It's almost black but not quite, and I will put it to the outer part of my crease and kind of carefully dab it into the outer corner of my eye. And then I will take the first blending brush and go over everything. And now I will take the concealer again and kind of cut the crease, but it's more to get the clean base kind of to my eyes again so that the lighter shadows look better. For my lid, I will be using this shade called Buzz, but before I put it on my lid, I will put NYX Glitter Primer underneath, and this will make the glitter stick better and also look more vibrant. So I'm just gonna put this on my finger and dab it on my lid, and it's better to do one eye at a time. So put the glitter primer, put the eyeshadow, and then move on to the next eye. Woo! This really makes this eyeshadow look so much better. For my inner corners, I will be using Dust. And And then I will go over the outer corners one more time with the dark side. Okay, the eyes are done for now, and now I will move on to my skin. For foundation, as always, I will use Luminous CC Cream, but this time in Fair. Also, they renewed their packaging. I think it's so cute and really spring summer alike. I will also mix it with just a little bit of Ultra Light, and to make this look dewy, I will put a few drops of the Lumina Invisible Illumination Instant Illuminizer drops to the foundation. And for concealer, I'm using the same Maybelline concealer. And because I want this to be a dewy look, I'm not using super much concealer, but a bit more so that I can also highlight my face with it.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I want you. Used to pay my mind lies.
I will start with blush. I will use my new Jordana blush and then maybe add a little bit of bronzer if I feel like my face needs that. But I really want this to be a fresh look, and that's why I want to try to create and sculpt my face with only blush. And I won't bring the blush to the apples of my cheeks because my cheeks are kind of round, so that makes them look even more round. But for a kind of thinner face, that looks really nice. Now comes the most important part of this look, highlighting. I will use these Luminate drops because they are really subtle and they are kind of more natural glow than powder highlighters. Oh, I just love these Illuminizer drops. They are my favorites. Then for my lower lash line, I will take this Lottie London palette and I will use the bronze shade to my lower lash line. Did I say that? Oh, I poked myself in the eye with the brush a little and got the eyeshadow all over my contact lens. And to lock my makeup in place, I will use NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray, and this will give the final dewy glow to my skin. Let's not forget about the lips. For my lips, I will be using first NYX Lip Lingerie. This is a matte liquid lip in 03 Lace Detail, and I will top it with the e.l.f. Plumbing Gloss. I really like the way this look turned out. Like, it gives me spring vibes, even though the eyes are a bit darker, and I don't know, it's just like, I really like this look and I love the way the glitter glue makes the pink eyeshadow look. But what I would really want to know is if you like this look and this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up or leave a comment down below. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I hope I will also see you on my next video. Bye!